Flamingos of Sea. The evening has cast a charming spell, and a stage is set for sun's royal retreat. Dear flamingos, delay not thine arrival in the lagoon behind Seawood apartment. Where are lead actors of scene in progress? The tailor is being played by birds less known. Come hushed to the theatre, gliding seamless, to warm ovation with perfect touchdown. There you come, unplugged, in waves after waves of swinging arch fluctuating in color. Like some rebounds unhinged, you soar and swerve. Like pulsating music, you float in air. If sky's dominion, you are the king, with license to explore farthest corner. You fly with swag on white imperious wing. You descend with grace, with softest flutter. You arrive in water with lightning speed, like a band of jealots storming a bastion. Roaming is your passion, sky is your field. You fly in group, in tapering formation. Discipline is thy name in brackish water. You tiptoe gently in a spiraling circle. Some mingle their necks in jovial manner, while elders huddle for crucial counsel. You have painted with pink the flat wet land. Necks are interlinked like noodle strings. You bury your heads as ostrich hide in sand, while you forage the mud for a fishy binge. Your packed assembly under crimson sky, by the mangroves with trees thriving in fluid. With thy reflection stopping, water is skimpy, is a vintage image which swings the moon. You are a ballerina with brilliant plume, gifted with panache to floor the audience, twirling your head, meaning a stance you assume, sashaying in a style you betray petulance. When driven by desire to play to the gallery, you open your wing like plane in hangar, putting on display pink and black drapery. You sizzle the water with oomph factor. When moon is radiant in a cloudless night and households nearby have retired for rest, you dazzle like diva in front of flashlight which has descended here for secret tryst. Your presence is short like all things pleasant, as you succumb to urge for wanderlust. You are born to be free and flamboyant, flying from shore to shore in endless quest. You perfectly script a rasping swan song when an artist reels best of repertoire, as if captain has sounded marching gong. You scramble to join rolling departure. Thither you take off away from Seawood, like giant kite rising high with swishing tail. Your form grow fainter with new altitude till you cannot be seen in sky portal. How ardently I wish to have your wings, to fly unchecked to faraway shores, to breathe icy air at highest ceiling, to dive into clouds with dewy vapor. Standing in balcony, I implore thee to listen the summons from seawood folk. Come like a signature floating in a sky, painted by a maestro with a lavish stroke. Thank you.